find this interesting out here. All these roads out here, they're littered with 5-acre lots, mostly 5-acre lots. A lot of them are 10-acre lots, but you know, it's a good lot. And oh, look at how much raw forest there is on all these properties here. It's just amazing. Look how secluded they are, private and everything. You've got all your, you can't do any better than this. It's really quiet, private, and secluded, and nobody can tell what you're doing in there at all. So these places are all beautiful and secluded, lots of trees and everything. It's really great. I wouldn't want a place like this. Like, dude, all your trees are gone. What the hell? Why would you do that? And now you have no trees. You have no privacy, no security, nothing. It's just an abomination now. Yeah, that's weird. Someone would come up here and rip down all the trees and make it look like that. Anyway, I'm going to go down and see if I can upload that other video. Ciao for now. Well, I just finished uploading today's video. So this is my friend's yard I come to, where I upload the video on her Wi-Fi, around here anyway. And this is all the wood everywhere. There's wood everywhere. So I just load up on wood for firewood anytime I want it. There you can see the truck out there on the street there, eh? Yeah. So that's where I get the firewood and bring it to my campsite. Ciao for now. Have you two been behaving yourselves? Oh, somebody knocked my jacket on the floor. Have you two been behaving yourselves? Look, Auntie Cindy gave me some homemade pizza to take home. Not for you, it's for me. It's for me, not for you. Okay, put it there and you guys leave it. I will make sure you do not touch it. Okay, let's get on the road, okay, baby? Okay, ciao for now. Like I said, more firewood from my friend's place. And more trees. Wow, look at the size of the pile of wood I got now, eh? That's massive right now. That's a lot of wood there. Some of those are pretty big size too. I gotta take the saw and cut them all up by hand. But maybe tonight we'll have a fire. Who knows, eh? Okay. Ciao for now. Are you kids being good? Are you kids being good? Oh yeah. Are you kids being good? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Uh-oh, someone's gonna have a dump. Uh-oh, bye. Ciao for now. Oh, while I've got you here, I've got a new Patreon member today. John and Claire Jarvis. The Jarvises from Michigan, USA. thank you guys. They're making a pledge every month to help out Baby and me in Tiny House on Wheels. And that's fantastic. Welcome aboard the Jarvises. John and Claire Jarvis, welcome aboard. And thank you so much for hanging out with Baby and me in Tiny House on Wheels. It's been a pleasure so far. Now it's hard work. Anyway, John and Claire Jarvis from Michigan, USA. Cheers, you guys. All right, I got to finish this, don't I? All right, ciao for now. There's another one. Okay, last one. Last one. There we go. There we go. All right. I took the big pile of wood that was over here, made a mess. Oh boy. And then most of that small stuff I just snapped over my knee or snapped it over something. I built the base of a fire here because it's been cloudy all afternoon but not raining, so I'm expecting we can build a fire, burn a fire tonight. And most of that stuff there I basically cut up just with that little tiny bow saw. Oh my God, I'm tired. I need a Husqvarna. I need a Husqvarna. So anyway, I even cut those 4.5 inch and 5 inch logs. All of that with that little tiny handsaw. Wow. So, with any luck today, oh boy, we will have a fire tonight, I hope. Yeah, I hope so. So, keep your fingers crossed and we'll see what happens. Ciao for now. Angel stuck under the blanket. And she just amuses herself. She amuses herself so many ways. It's not funny. This is just another one of them. Oh, there she goes. She thought that was hilarious. Oh my gosh. She's crazy. She's so adorable. Hey, settle down now. Don't want to hurt your mother's face yet. Yeah. Okay, ciao for now. It's actually quite a nice night out tonight. It hasn't rained since before dinner time sometime. It's quite nice. Really calm, peaceful, relaxed. It's beautiful. Wow. This should be a good night for a fire, eh? Nice. Ciao for now. Well, it definitely turned out to be a nice, calm, mild night tonight. Yeah, not too bad at all. And I have made fire. There we go, huh? So I'll just let you sit and enjoy the fire for a few minutes while I shut everything down and put the kids to bed, okay? Enjoy that for a couple moments, will ya? Ciao. Okay, it's time to go to bed now. We'll see you in the morning. Ciao for now. Oh, man. Oh, good morning, girls. See everyone's playful already. Wow. Well, good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I slept well last night for once. Wow. Oh my god, those mosquitoes last night. The mosquitoes were relentless. The mosquitoes are out in full force now. Itchy. Oh, hi babies. Hello kids. Everybody's playing already this morning. Yeah. Oh boy. Well, I guess the only thing to do now is get up and have a coffee, eh? Oh man. Let's get up and have a coffee, huh? Yeah. While the kids play. While the kids play, huh? All right, time to get up and have a coffee. Yeah. Damn straight. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm not usually awake at 6 o'clock in the morning. I usually wake up till 9 or 10 or something. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. But I think I slept really well last night. I don't remember waking up once in the night. Next thing I know, it was like starting to get light out. Oh, still a little bit tired a bit. But anyway, I'm awake. Have a cup of coffee. Probably have another cup of coffee and another cup of coffee. And then maybe after a while I'll get up. I'll actually get up and do something. Where the baby got her ball? The baby got her ball. The baby got her ball. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, another Sunday morning. Another Sunday morning. All right. Well, I'm just gonna sit back, drink my coffee, play with the puppies, and enjoy a relaxing Sunday morning day off. Okay, ciao for now. Oh, so nice to wake up to those beautiful songbirds and this little running creek down here. Don't those morning songbirds sound great? I guess it's time to do something. Okay, ciao for now. Kind of sounds nice and peaceful and 6:30 in the morning. The birds in the creek. And dogs barking. Oh. Oh, so nice in the morning. Yeah, but my phone's down to 20% battery now, so I have to get the generator running and charge my phone up again before I can do any more video. Well, go have a second cup of coffee and wake up more and get motivated. Ciao for now. Oh, it's not a bad morning. It's actually raining a little bit again. It's only a light rain though so far. But it's a pretty mild morning. It's not cold or anything. But I have to go get some more water. I have to fill my water jug. Yeah. So we better get that done. Ciao. Here we go. We've got the water here. Now the thing with this water here, it's some of the freshest water in the world. It comes out of the river here. It's tapped right out of the river here. And the water comes right off the mountain and right past this campsite area, whole area. And like I said, it's some of the freshest, cleanest water in the world. So I gotta fill up and get back to camp. Ciao. I was going today.
Oh, you can?
Yes.
Hi, it's your YouTube channel.
Hi. Okay, I got my water now. Now I have to charge my phone up because I'm down to 18%, so I got to get that generator going, power this phone up and charge it up so we can do some more videos. Okay, ciao for now. So the young lady that came up to me was getting the water out there. Her name's Talitha. She's the she's the head park operator here. I guess the young lad Devin, the guy I met before, who was really concerned about baby in her eye, he works here, and but Talitha is apparently the head park operator here. So I met her, and her mom actually stores a unit over where I used to live there just not too long ago. Anyway, that's who came up and spoke to me while I was getting the water there, and really nice person. And nice to meet her. She's actually a subscriber, and so is Devin, and subscribers everywhere now. Anyway, I've got to get on with things, so we'll talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Well, it was a pretty darn good fire we had going on last night, eh? That was pretty cool. Yeah, it was a really nice night. A good night for a fire, and it was calm and wonderful. I loved it. It's probably why I slept so well. Anyway, it's been raining pretty much all day long today. Not a heavy rain, but enough to be annoying all day long. And I've just been spending this Sunday afternoon with cleaning out and organizing the truck and dealing with all that stuff because it had to be done. So I got rid of everything I don't need and kept all the stuff I do need. And I rearranged everything at home. So I know what everything is and where everything is. There. Yeah, everything is organized there. I gotta get this green pad that's gonna go back in the camper because it's part of the bedding, but I have to make my bed wider again first. And that'll take using this tabletop here too. So I might be doing that soon, I don't know. Anyway, I know where everything is and I know what everything is in here, and it's all much more organized, and I got a ton of extra room here that I can put some more stuff in here, like just a bunch of other stuff. I'll put the compressor in there later on when I travel too. So there we go. So that's basically all I did all afternoon, was got rain on, rain on, rain on. And now that I'm finally finished, the rain just finally stopped, more or less. It's 1 or 2 drops every few minutes, but nothing drastic. Anyway, I'm going to finish this video today. Thanks for hanging out with Baby and me in Tiny House on Wheels and watching our adventures, more whatever you want to call them. And we'll just talk to you sometime soon. Ciao for now.